Here I am in Tinkercad, and you'll probably see some, well, quite major changes in a way. Now, I still haven't gone an end stop optical coupler thing, optical end stop that is, and I haven't got any clear pipe that is needed for this. But looking at the end stops online and such like, I found out that it wants a square there. I've also changed where the way access was from the back. Now it's going to be from the top. This is like, in a way, the top part here. So this goes on, will go on top here. And then a 4mm tube will go through there. There's a hole there for the LED light. Probably put a piece of clear pipe on that you have spare from the clear. This will have to be a clear Bowden feeding tube going through there. But this, doing it this way should make it easier, I think, to get access to it. So you can lift the lid off, possibly with the pipe going in there, going down to the LED that's on the board, and access the Bowden tube. And the two prongs of the LED, the emitter and the collector, receiver, whatever, will go between that tube, 4mm tube. That hole in the bottom there is for the plug, so you plug it in there. I haven't tested this for size. Actually, you might hear the printer going now. I'm actually printing out this model now, but I'm not going to show you the video of that. There's a couple of catches here and like a way to sort of get in there and screwdriver in each end to leave it up the top and get off if you need to, or when you need to. But one idea here is to have the Bowden feeding tube permanent, so there's no breaks in the Bowden feeding tube. The LEDs will sort of shine through the Bowden tube because it'll be clear. When the filament's going through, there'll be enough breakage there in the light to signal it, and that's okay because we want it to be broken, the signal. But if the filament actually breaks, then there'll be a gap. Light will shine through, it'll signal the ramps being Marlin to say stop the printer basically. That's using the runout option in Marlin. Okay, so that's basically this second iteration of this. So this is, as before, the past one was a bit thin, the plastic as well. I've beefed up the plastic here a bit to give it a bit more strength. Okay, now I still need to wait for an optical end stop and some clear Bowden tubing to fit this. There's a couple of parts there to try and cut out light that might be coming from the board or anything, because there will be some light from the LED coming up here, somewhere up here. This might need moving this hole. Or another piece of 4mm tube. That as a light pipe, that's the idea there. Right, stop waffling. I tend to waffle if I don't go on. Some bumps there for line it up, and a bit of a dent there for the soldering and what have you. Just waiting for an optical end. Oh, this will almost definitely need tweaking or changing to get the size right. Okay.